Every day, millions of us rely on trains to get where we need to go. But have you ever considered the impact these vital machines have on our environment? Here at HJ Custom Composite, we're revolutionizing the way trains are maintained, not just for efficiency, but for the planet. We're not replacing old with new, we're fixing existing parts with cutting-edge technology. Our state-of-the-art CNC machines and skilled technicians restore train parts to peak performance, minimizing waste and extending their lifespan. This fix, don't replace approach reduces the need for new parts, conserving precious resources and minimizing the environmental impact of manufacturing. We're more than just composite specialists. We offer a comprehensive range of services, from inspection and repair to full-scale refurbishments. No matter the issue, our team of experts has the skills and know-how to get your train back on track fast and efficiently. This one-stop-shop approach saves time and resources, streamlining the maintenance process and minimizing environmental impact. Visit our website or follow us on social media to learn more about how we're revolutionizing train maintenance for a sustainable future. Together, let's ride towards a greener tomorrow. HJ Custom Composite, building a sustainable future, one train part at a time.